Hello everyone, welcome to WebTech Tutorials. Today's tutorial is about how to download the eBay application. Before moving on, if you have not subscribed to our channel, hit the subscribe button to WebTech Tutorials for our helpful web tutorials and videos. Moving on to today's topic, eBay application. It is the platform where you can buy everything you need and save with the shopping deals. You can buy, sell and save with the eBay application. From home essentials to garden furniture to tech and fitness and more, you get the best deals every time with eBay. So download the app now to explore the unmissable deals. You can download the eBay application freely from Play Store on your Android phone. Go to the Play Store and type eBay on the search box. This is the application. You can simply tap on the install button and you will start downloading here. Once the download is complete, it will be successfully installed in your device and you can start up by logging in to the application and do your online shopping on eBay. So in this way, you can download the eBay application on your device and explore the unmissable deals on the eBay online shop. I hope this video was helpful to you guys. Thank you for watching the video till the end. Like and subscribe to our channel, Web Tutorials. The bell icon for more upcoming videos. If you have any comments or questions, mention them to us in the comment section below.